friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Smart Coding. In this video we are going to see how to concatenate more than one array. Okay, so on my screen if you see I have two arrays. The first array is defined as category 1, the second array is defined as categories 2. Okay, so I've split a couple of items in these two arrays. So the typical way of doing it from a plain JavaScript is the array object. Like I have a method called concatenate array. If you see the line number 55, category 1 is the array. If I use a method called concat and then pass in the second array, you can get the concatenation of two arrays, and that's so that's the way of doing it in the plain JavaScript, and we are also doing it in the console log. But if you have to use a spread, you have to define a square bracket. Anything that is square bracket is called array. Okay, so inside the square bracket you just need to use the spread operator and name the array object and comma array object with the spread operator. If you do this, it will also concatenate these two arrays, and you can just keep adding with the comma. And the length of these two, if we print and see, both are 10. Okay, you can see everything is same. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and never forget to click on the bell icon.